My favourite Pythagoras story is Pythagoras was sitting on the toilet one day, minding his own business and counting tiles on the mosaic floor, and he suddenly noticed this. Pythagoras saw the right-angled triangle at the centre and the squares on each side. The mosaic squares look like this. 3 by 3 is 9, 4 by 4 is 16, 5 by 5 is 25. What do we notice about these numbers? Here's what Pythagoras noticed. 9 plus 16 equals 25. The squares on the two shorter sides of the right-angled triangle added together to make the square on the longer side. We need to see how this works. Remember, the squares on the two shorter sides total the square on the longer side, also known as the hypotenuse. Algebraically, we might see this: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We want to find side length x. Label the triangle A, B and C and substitute in the numbers. C squared is 100, so C must be 10, the square root of 100. Now try this multiple choice question. Pause the video if you need to. C is incorrect. B and D are both rearrangements of equation A. A is used to find the longer side, B and D are used to find the shorter side. Now try this, which is the correct calculation. Pause the video if you need to. Start off labelling the sides A, B and C and substitute the values into the equation. Make sure you know which is the hypotenuse. Then find the square root of your solution, because we want v and not v squared. Here's another question for you to try. Remember, label the sides, substitute into the equation. Again, label the sides and then substitute the information that we know into the equation. Make sure that you know the hypotenuse is opposite the right angle. This is where we now have to rearrange the equation, because we have w squared plus 3 squared equals 6 squared, and all of the answers start with w equals. We subtract 3 squared from w squared to get w squared equals 6 squared minus 3 squared. Then we square root the answer to get w on its own, making A the correct solution.